Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add website shortcut to home screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to get a website link from my Google Chrome application. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome and I'm just going to open this website, for example. Then we can click on the three dots on the top right, and then you will find the add to home screen option. Click on this option and you will be able to change the name of this shortcut, and I'm just going to leave it like that. Then we can click on add and click on add again to add it to our home screen. And I'm going to check it on my home screen, and as you can see that the website shortcut has been added to this home screen. And that's how we can add website shortcut to home screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.